this switch. So this is not part of our Django application. It is just using the Jquery and HTML, and I am using the Bootstrap classes. So I show you. We are calling this journal entry in our view. This is our in our journal entry. We are calling this journal entry HTML. This is our template. So in this template, actually what we did, just we created the input fields, HTML field, and we just set the class form check input class, which is the Bootstrap class, and type of this input is checked, and role is switch. ID, we are assign one ID. Flag switch check default, and default is checked. And just I set some CSS margin left 15 px, and based on this I created another field here, text field, and this text field actually which is showing here this debit and credit. When we are switch is off, it is showing the credit, and switch is on, it is showing the debit. So this is the text field, and I disabled, not editable, because we need the value of this one also. And style here, border none, and all this CSS margin left and background white, and one hidden field which is contain the value transaction type based on the this switch. This is also hidden TR type, and means transaction type. Default value is debit, and we are opening, it is coming debit by default. So this is actually HTML, and before that one div which is also provided by Bootstrap. If we can go to the Bootstrap switch website, so it will show you there also. Form checked, form switch, and this is margin left I put there. So in this div we are calling this input field. One is switch, one is text, and it is hidden the value. So how it is working, I show you. Here we are calling the Jquery script, and for this Jquery CDN I already called my base file, base.html file, which is calling already there. If you can see here, it will show you also there. So Jquery, what we written here, we are catching this ID, flex switch check default, it is this ID, if it is checked, then what we have to set, PR type value is equal to debit and label is equal to debit, and else it is transaction type is credit and value is credit. So that's it. And for CDN we are calling in our base.html, so it is catching from there. So this is a very small thing, just I forgot in that video. Thank you very much for watching this video.